Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I guess we can say this is a face reveal. I don't really know. I was supposed to post that yesterday, but forgot. So, okay. We went to Amazing Things a few days ago, and I'm gonna go home. So, yeah. I already unboxed this, but it's I don't know what you call it actually, but I got another one. So first up we have a pink stress ball. Next up we have these. Happy Go Lucky's pack. Arctic Friends. Okay. So first up we have this polar bear, I believe. Kind of cute. Next up we have an igloo. Lastly, we have a penguin. His eyes are kind of dislocated, like they're far apart. But whatever. Okay, next we have a splat ball. So I actually got one of these for Christmas, but it broke, so I got another one. It wasn't that messy. It actually didn't even pour out. It was just broken, and there was a bit of water everywhere. There was a bit of water on it, but nothing happened. But this is really nice. I love these. They're so nice. The only difference is that this is stickier than the other one I had. And the yolk is flat. The one that I got for Christmas was a circle. Legitimately. Okay. Well, let's give it a test try. Okay. So see this? Well, it works better than the other one because the other one was less stickier. Sorry about my 34. Okay, so actually let's rate this. Okay, so first 10 out of 10. This 5 out of 10. It's probably gonna get to everything. This 10 out of 10. This 3 out of 10. This 10 out of 10. Okay. I got another pack of those actually, but not just the Arctic animals. Okay. Next thing. I got a sand jelly scented squishy. We're gonna try and push the packaging. Okay, never mind. I'm just gonna go get. I'm gonna take you with me. Let's find the scissors. Ow. Hit my tooth. I'll find them. Why does my skin look like that? Okay. So, I found the scissors. So now let's open this. Whoa. Totally did not expect it to feel like that. It makes amazing noises. I love this. Except for the face. Why is the wink so big? The bottom's musty. Except this smells good. Number 2. We have whoa. That feels smooth. Okay, so number 2 we have a white poop. So let's see. Oh. That smells amazing. It smells like Fruit Loops. Every time you get a new one of these, oh shit. This one's kind of musty too. Oh. I just washed them. But every time you get a new one, they make like a cracking noise. But that's gone. Once you play with it for 10 seconds, the cracking noise goes away. Oh. 1 second. No. Okay. So, on to the next thing. This is already very dirty. So on to the next thing, we have the Crazy Art pen. You're probably gonna think, why did I just get a pen? So, it came with these. Well, every pen comes. Oh my gosh. Well, anyways, so I got these, right? They're just normal squishies. They have a hole at the bottom. I was thinking, what if, oh my gosh, it does not fit. Oh my gosh. Wait. Bruh, so I think this fits. This side doesn't fit. The cap side doesn't fit, but this side fits. Look, you have a pen with a squishy. And you can take that off and put it on a different type of pencil/pen. And I got a few of those actually. Whoa! This one's my favorite. It's slow rising. And it feels so nice. I love this one. It's amazing. I recommend the tiger. And I got an orange pen to match the tiger. But I might just keep it on this one on its own because it's so nice to squeeze. So after that I have a a purple pen. And a pink pen with a cat on top. But the cat's really hard to squeeze. It's a lot harder than the other ones. Oh my gosh, it's so hard though. Okay. So after that, oh yeah. So it's called a stretchy dough ball. It got an orange one. It's the same thing as this. It's literally just the same thing, just a different color. So if you do want one, you can get it at Amazing Savings. It's called the Stretchy Gel Ball, except this one's harder. I have orange too, but that's just over there. Pink's my favorite. Oh, and then I got this. It's a Orbeez Squeezables. So you squeeze it, and there's like crushed Orbeez in it, and it's really nice. That's why I have another one. But what I was thinking is the net's really annoying, so I'm gonna cut it off. Okay. So first up, take my scissors and cut. Take my scissors and cut. Dot dot dot. Cut, 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 cut. I swear, if I watch the video and I hear a ton of commotion around me, that means my idea didn't work. Whoa. OMG, this is amazing. I love this so much. I have another one with the net on. And I'm going to chop it off because it's better without the net. That is amazing. Definitely recommend that. If you have an Orbeez Squeezables, then chop off the freaking net. Because this one's amazing. And it makes nice sounds. And when you squeeze it, you can mold it inside. It's amazing. I love this. 10 out of 10. I've been forgetting to rate everything, so we're just not going to rate everything. Next we have a Globby Squishman. So I have a ton of these, and I actually have all of them now. Because I have this one, but it popped. So I need to get another one of those, but I used to have that one. I bought this one. I have this one, and I also used to have another one of these before, but they popped. But these are very amazing. They're so nice to squeeze. Skinny, then fat. Skinny, then fat. Why you in my face? Go your break time. Go to your bathroom, brush your teeth, get some toothpaste. The heck? Okay, my dogs are eating. Oh God. Brush your teeth, get some toothpaste. Okay, so yeah. We have a squishy man. Okay. Then, like I said, I bought this one. I never used to have this one. Whoa. Someone please tell me what that is. So there's, I'm trying to find it. Okay, well, I can't find it anymore, but there's a black Orbeez in this that's literally black instead of orange, and it looks like mold. And my cousins actually had that too. My cousin's Stretchy Man has that too. And we don't know if it's normal or not because it wasn't in my other ones. But we're just going to keep it because my cousin kept hers. And nothing happened. But definitely recommend them. But if you don't like mold in it, then don't buy it. Because a few of them do actually have that. I saw it in other ones. Okay, so like I was saying, I have more of these, the Happy-Go-Luckies. Except this time they're the Asian animals. That sounds wrong. But first up we have a panda. Next up we have a tiger. Last up we have a monkey. Whoa. Someone please tell me what this is. I'm triggered. Okay, then we have another pen. And then we got roller rings. I have like thousands and thousands and thousands of these. So I might give some to my Sherling. I might give some to my Sherlock. I call her Sherling because her name's Sherlock. So I might give this to my cousin Sherlock. They're kind of hard to use like that way. Like that. Because my fingers are not flexible enough for that. My other fingerings are better at doing this. But I got these from a different place, so. I feel like I love fingerings. Not in that way, like where you just connect them like that, put them in your fingers and do that and stuff. Oh, I can't do that. Wow. Wow, that's tough. Okay, so I don't like the fingerings when they say to do like tricks and tricks and tricks with it. Because that's just annoying. It's hard to do. But what I do like to do with fingerings is I like to stack them all up and just spin them. Or I like to just take one fingering and just spin it and endless. So yeah. Okay. Alright. So I have nothing else left. Oh, I wanted to show you guys something. I look crusty. I look musty. I look rusty. I look musty. I look crusty. I look crusty, musty, and rusty. Okay, sorry about that. But I wanted to show you guys something. I can do the Grinch face. Oop. Oh yeah, I can do the Grinch face. Oh my gosh. Is my face red? Yes. Ew. Ew. Why are you in my face? Go to your bedtime. Go to the bedroom, brush your teeth, get some toothpaste. You must be Christy Rusty. You must be. Why? Whoa. I knew I had that, but I never knew I had that. Why you in my face? Go to your bedtime. Go to the bedroom, brush your teeth, get some toothpaste. You must be Christy. Oh, right. You crusty, you rusty, you. Oh yeah, you dusty, you crusty, you rusty, you musty. That's why I'm. See. Oh. Okay, so like I was saying, I can do the Grinch face. Oh, look at my dog. Okay, so I can do the Grinch face. So, okay, so I really have nothing else. So I might watch the video in a little bit, but yeah. So I'm just gonna boop boop boop. Okay, finally this video is over. Okay, let's watch TikTok. So many funny videos on TikTok. Rusty, 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 Rusty. Why you in my face? Go your bedtime. Go to the bathroom, brush your teeth, get some toothpaste. You musty, you crusty, you dusty, you risky. Okay, so I found out that my finger rings are made in China. Okay, so I wasn't watching TikTok. It was a joke if you didn't know. Oh my gosh, I can't get this on my finger. Okay. Put it on my finger and just roll. Ooh. Just roll. 1, 2. Oh shit. Okay. 3. I have 3 finger rings. But I have more. It's just in my fidget drawers. But, like I was saying, yeah. So, I'm gonna end the video here. So, bye.